prevents overheating, maintains airflow, protects components, and ensures stable system performance. Today's video is about top 5 best computer cooling fan that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vetroo computer cooling fan, this ARGB air cooler offers an excellent balance of performance, aesthetics, and compatibility for modern PC builds. Its ARGB lighting syncs seamlessly with motherboards through a 5v3 pin header, allowing full customization to match your system's theme. The 4-pin PWM smart control dynamically adjusts fan speeds from 800 to 1700 revolutions per minute, delivering optimal airflow under load while remaining quiet during light tasks. Cooling performance is enhanced by 5 direct contact heat pipes, a larger copper base, and high-density aluminum fins, ensuring efficient heat transfer in stable temperatures. The 9-blade fan design, combined with 8 anti-vibration rubber pads, minimizes noise while maintaining strong airflow. With broad support for Intel LGA1851/1700/1200/1150 and AMD AM5/AM4 sockets, this cooler is a versatile and reliable choice for both gaming and productivity systems, offering effective cooling, low noise, and stylish ARGB appeal. Now our second product is upHere computer cooling fan. This dual-tower CPU air cooler delivers powerful performance with exceptional compatibility, supporting a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, including the latest LGA1851 and AM5 platforms. It's a versatile choice for new builds or upgrades across multiple generations. Installation is simple and user-friendly, designed to save time without requiring complicated steps or removing existing components. Its compact layout ensures excellent RAM clearance, allowing full access to memory slots without interference. Equipped with dual 120mm PWM fans, the cooler automatically adjusts speeds up to 1650 revolutions per minute for efficient thermal control while maintaining a quiet noise level of less than or equal to 25 dB. Even under demanding gaming sessions, the dual-tower heatsink and 6 high-performance heat pipes provide outstanding heat dissipation and stable temperatures. Overall, this cooler combines broad compatibility, quiet operation, and strong thermal efficiency, making it an excellent option for gamers and performance-focused PC users. Our third product is NZXT computer cooling fan. The NZXT Turbine CPU cooler combines exceptional performance, striking visuals, and intuitive customization. Its custom-designed pump efficiently cools even heat-intensive CPUs, offering up to a 10 performance boost while minimizing noise. High flow rate and head pressure ensure stable temperatures during demanding workloads or gaming sessions. The cooler features a large 2.72-inch IPS LCD with 640 by 640 resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, ultra-bright 690 candelas per square meter backlight, and vibrant 24-bit color, providing crisp visuals and wide viewing angles. Users can display GIFs, images, and real-time system stats, or integrate with Google Photos, Spotify, and YouTube. The RGB LED ring syncs with on-screen content and other RGB devices for a fully coordinated aesthetic. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to pre-applied thermal paste, tool-free mounting brackets, and a single breakout cable, supporting both AMD, AM5/AM4, and Intel. LGA1851 divided by 1700 divided by 1200 divided by 115x sockets. The RGB core single frame fan ensures efficient airflow, vibrant lighting, and sleek integration, making this cooler both visually impressive and highly functional. Now number 4, Be Quiet. Computer cooling fan. The Dark Rock Pro 5 is a premium CPU cooler that combines outstanding thermal performance with iconic design. Equipped with 7 high-performance copper heat pipes and a special black ceramic-coated finish, it keeps even heavily overclocked CPUs at low temperatures, ensuring stable performance under peak loads. Its dual silent wings PWM fans feature advanced fluid dynamic bearings, smooth 6-pole motors, and airflow-optimized blades. The front fan delivers exceptional air pressure via a funnel-shaped inlet, while vibration-isolated mounts reduce noise and turbulence. Users can switch between quiet mode, up to 1500 revolutions per minute, for everyday use, and performance mode, up to 2000 revolutions per minute, for maximum cooling potential. Installation is straightforward, with a detachable mesh top cover and integrated middle fan, complemented by a sleek black mounting kit. True to Be Quiet. As tradition, the Dark Rock Pro 5 showcases distinctive aesthetics while offering German engineering quality, efficiency, and reliability. Its robust construction and superior cooling make it an ideal choice for high-end gaming and enthusiast builds. Dimensions: 145 by 136 by 168 mm, without mounting, fans 120/135 mm point. And our last choice is Cooler Master Computer Cooling Fan. This CPU cooler is a powerful and versatile solution for AMD i7 and Intel i7 systems. Featuring 4 heat pipes and a silver nickel-plated copper base, it delivers excellent thermal performance, keeping CPUs cool even under heavy workloads in gaming sessions. The Spectrum 120 fan ensures optimal airflow with PWM-optimized blades, simplifying installation while maintaining efficient cooling. The dynamic PWM 4-pin header allows adjustable fan speeds from 650 to 1750 revolutions per minute, giving users the flexibility to balance noise and performance according to their needs. Installation is made easy with redesigned brackets compatible with the latest AM5 and LGA 1851/1700 platforms, reducing setup time and effort. The frosted fan blades enhance ARGB lighting dispersion, creating vibrant and customizable visual effects to complement any build. With a 152 mm height, this cooler provides high performance while fitting into a wide range of chassis designs. Overall, it combines effective cooling, quiet operation, and stylish ARGB lighting, making it an ideal choice for modern gaming and productivity PCs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.